Will you press the button if Goku marries Bulma, but Vegeta never joins the team? Will you press the button if Zamasu never exists, but Goku Black still does? Frieza is erased forever after Namek, but Cooler becomes the new main villain. Will you press the button if Yamcha never died in the Saiyan Saga, but Krillin dies instead? Vegeta defeats Goku in their first fight, but he becomes the main Z fighter after. Cell wins the Cell games, but spares Earth and becomes its protector. Will you press the button? Goku never dies in DBZ, but he never goes Super Saiyan. Zeno never existed, but Grand Priest becomes the final villain. Will you press the button if Majin Vegeta never sacrifices himself, but Buu defeats the entire Z Fighter team? Make Goku evil after the Frieza saga, but he's stronger than Beerus. Will you press the button? Chi-Chi becomes a fighter, but Goten is never born. Will you press the button if Raditz survives and becomes good, but Goku is forgotten? Erase GT from existence, but you also erase Super Saiyan 4. Frieza becomes an ally, but Piccolo dies permanently. Erase Cell from the timeline, but future Gohan also vanishes. Krillin becomes a Super Saiyan level fighter, but Master Roshi dies from age. You bring Bardock back to life, but he's a villain. Android 16 survives and joins the Z Fighters, but Gohan never transforms into Super Saiyan 2. You replace Vegeta with Raditz in the main cast, but Raditz becomes stronger than Goku. You erase Super Saiyan Blue from history, but Super Saiyan 4 becomes the main form in Super. Frieza turns good after Resurrection F, but Beerus turns evil in response. The Saiyan race never dies, but Earth is destroyed in their first invasion. Android 17 leads the next Dragon Ball series, but Goku and Gohan are retired. Broly joins the Z Fighters after the Super movie, but he can never control his rage. Cell never absorbs Android 18, but also Krillin never marries her. Before you go, make sure you watch other videos, and have a nice day.